Now the trusted security of ADT and the intelligence of Google are connected in one system. Adding your Nest Thermostat or Nest Learning Thermostat to the ADT Plus app is easy. To get started, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone, and then it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network that you plan to use for your Nest Thermostat. Before setting up your new device, remember to set up your ADT Plus app, ADT Smart Home Hub, and Pro Monitoring so you can access your ADT and Nest products with a single app. You can download the ADT Plus app from the App Store or Google Play. Next, make sure your Nest Thermostat is installed in your home and available in the Google Home app. Now let's link your ADT Plus and Google accounts. Log into your ADT Plus app using your email address and password, and tap on the top left two lines to get to the menu. Tap Google Integration. For access, enter your 4-digit security code. Tap Account Linking. Sign into your Google account and select the home you're setting up. Allow ADT to access your Nest products. Scroll down to see all the options. When done, you'll get a screen that says ADT.com wants to access your Google account. Tap Continue. Tap on Google Sign In. Sign in and your accounts will be linked. Let's add your Nest Thermostat to the ADT Plus app. Tap the arrow in the top left to go back to the menu. Tap on Devices. Enter your 4-digit security code. Tap the plus icon. Then tap Google Nest Device. Tap Connect Existing Devices. Sign into your Google account. The app will scan for your thermostat. Follow the prompts. You can now control your Nest Thermostat or Nest Learning Thermostat with the ADT Plus app. Need more help? Visit the support center at adt.com/help/DIY.